Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add video overlay to photo in CapCut apps. So first you can select your photo as a background. For example, I'm going to open my project, so there is a photo here. To add the video overlay, you can select the overlay and just select add overlay and select videos. So select the video you like to add as an overlay. Here you go, you can resize and change for the position. You can blend the overlay. That's it. Can just for intensity, but I don't want to blend. So here we go. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.